In the afternoon, we had a bit of time before our sunset hike at Hickman Bridge. We decided to go outside of the national park a bit just to explore the area. We ended up finding a cool off-roading trail to explore. After a mile or so into the trail, we realized that it was quite sandy and we decided to turn around instead. After yesterday's adventure getting stuck, we didn't want to repeat the same mistake and miss out on our sunset hike. About an hour before sunset, we started our hike to Hickman's Bridge. The first half mile is the most elevation gain you encounter. The rest of the trail was relatively easy. Another hike. There you are. Which one is this one called?
Hickman Bridge.
Hickman Bridge. Look, how many miles are we doing? 1.8 miles round trip. Try and catch the sunset on this trail. Hopefully we get it in time, but I think we should be fine. It's the trail. Alright, going that way. After about 30 minutes of hiking, we got to the bridge. There's something so magical to see a natural bridge that was carved out by wind and time. This really reminded us of the many arches in Arches National Park, but it was definitely a bit magical since it was kind of hidden away. There's the trail leading through it. There's the Hickman's Arch. It's the Hickman Bridge. One of those. We were recommended by a group of hikers to go underneath the bridge to have the best view and photo, and they were right. Underneath the bridge. After the bridge, the trail will continue on for a bit more before looping around and take you back to the main trail. From there, it was an easy hike back to the car. So almost done with the trail. Definitely recommend going near sunset. Not a lot of people. It gets pretty cold. It's supposed to be in the 14 tonight, so not a lot of people hanging around. So I think when we're heading back, we only saw like maybe 2 people. So there's plenty of opportunity for you to take pictures at the bridge. But if you go a little bit during the day, there's a lot of people. Yeah, the parking lot was full of cars, so I recommend going maybe an hour before sunset would be good. That way you can get tons of opportunity to take pictures. All right, let's continue. Lauren's like an old Asian lady cooking on that stove. Just laying.
Kind of comfortable.
It's really comfortable. Making, what are you making today?
Making supposedly Korean teriyaki tacos.
Korean
So,
teriyaki tacos.
Teriyaki is Japanese, but
Yeah.
you put the teriyaki sauce in the meat, and then you add the coleslaw on top with mayo and sriracha
Yeah.
and pickled onions.
Ooh. Nice little fire going. It's gonna be in the 14th tonight, guys. Super cold. At least we'll have a nice little fire going. Yeah. Check it out, guys. Finished product. Oh yeah. Taco looks good. Teriyaki tacos next to a fire. Perfect end to a night, a day. Alright guys, thank you once again for watching this adventure with us. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor adventure. Until next time, stay safe.